Hi, this is a vertical trellis I have built for a bottle gourd plant. This trellis can be used for ridge gourd or any other climber plant that needs a trellis. In this video, we'll see how to build our own low-cost vertical trellis, and also we will cover its benefits. Please do watch the video till the end and share your comments in the comment section. Thank you. We will now see how I build this vertical trellis. In my community garden, I have two bottle gourd plants here. They have grown up to 1 feet, and till 1 feet they grow like a plant. After that, they start climbing. So, if trellis is not provided for these plants, they start occupying the space in the ground, and that needs lot of space. And also, the fruits and the plant can get rotten if there is a heavy rain. To avoid this, I am going to construct the vertical trellis now. To build a vertical trellis for these two plants, we will need two medium-sized wooden sticks, and then two small or thin-sized wooden sticks, and then a string. And also we will need some garden tools to dig the soil. I need to dig two holes, one near the plant at a 2 feet distance, and another one along the fence at a 7 feet distance. The first hole I am digging 2 feet away from the plants so that the roots will not be disturbed. And also I am building this trellis on the border of the garden so that a lot of space will be saved. The hole should not be very big. We can dig just a little bigger than the sticks that we are using, so that the sticks will hold tight and it will have stability. To dig the hole, we can use our garden tools, or even the coconut shell can be used. Since the soil is wet now, I am able to dig it a little faster. But if it is a dry soil, I can add some water, and I can loosen the soil, and then I can dig it. If we dig the soil next day after the rain, then it will be a lot easier. To make the stick stand stable in the ground, the stick should not be placed in the center of the hole. It should be leaning the side of the hole so that the natural support will be provided. Before I dig the second hole, I'm just measuring so that I know where the second hole should come. To complete this vertical trellis, it will take 15 minutes for an experienced person, and it will take 30 to 45 minutes for a beginner. If you are a beginner, please do watch till the end, and there are a lot of information provided in this video. Now I am covering the first hole with the soil. In this community garden, we don't have a termite problem, but if there is a termite problem in your garden, then we need to cover the bottom portion of the stick with a plastic bag so that the termites will not damage the wooden stick. If there are termites problem, and if we don't cover the bottom portion of the stick, then the trellis can fall down at one point of time. There are a lot of sand outside the hole that was dug. This means there is still more soil that needs to go into this hole. I mostly use hammer to push the soil. We can also pour the water, and we can wait for the soil to tighten. And also we can wait for the rain so that the soil will automatically go inside the hole, and then we can start pushing it again. If you want to make it even stronger, then we can add some stones along with the soil when we close the hole. The second hole is also ready. It is 7 feet from the first one. Both the holes are dug 1.5 feet deep. The depth of the hole depends on the size of the wooden stick that we will be using. Both the sticks are now placed inside the ground. Now I am going to tie the horizontal sticks across these two vertical sticks. The bottom horizontal stick can be tied 2 or 3 feet from the ground so that the vegetables will not be touching the ground. For the top, I am using a bamboo stick. This I collected from a place nearby where there are a lot of bamboo plants available, and the other 3 sticks I bought from Home Depot. We don't have to buy these wooden sticks from the shop. We can use any broken branches from the trees, or any wooden sticks that we have that can be used for building these kind of trellis. I tied these two sticks with a very light and thin string. Now I'm adding a strap so that it will hold stronger and it will last longer. Between these two horizontal sticks, I'm going to use this plastic string and cover the trellis. This is a plastic string that they sell for drying the clothes, which I bought from Dollar Tree, and it's just $1. This vertical trellis has many benefits. We can easily spray the pesticides on both sides of the trellis, and we can also harvest the vegetables on time because the vegetables will be visible on both sides of the trellis. Also, this trellis is on the fence, and hence it saves a lot of space, so I can grow many other plants. Also, it is facing south, so it gets more sunlight. So whatever plants that I grow, it gets more sunlight. This vertical trellis also acts as a natural fence. I see some space in the top of the trellis, so I'm going to add some more string in the top and extend the height of the trellis. If the plants need more space, I can add another wooden stick along the fence, and I can keep extending this vertical trellis. Now the trellis is complete. It just took 20 minutes for me to build it. Now after 3 days, the plants have grown little bigger and they started to spread on the ground. Now it's the right time to train the plant on the trellis. So I'm going to tie some string between the sticks near the plant and the trellis. Now after 10 days, the plant started to climb on the trellis. From now on, the plant will climb by itself and it will occupy the trellis. Now after 40 days, the trellis is completely occupied by the bottle gourd plant, and the plants also started producing the bottle gourd vegetable. If you have built any trellis like this before, please share your experience in the comment section so that it will be helpful for other gardeners. Thanks all for watching this video. Please like, comment and share this video with your friends. Thank you.